Hey guys, welcome back to my world of programming. My name, of course, is Tumikadi. This is gonna be part 2. So let's check the agenda. So we are done with part 1. Please watch the video where we talk about what AppCenter is. Now I'm gonna do part 2, AppCenter and beyond. Right. So this is still .Net Maui. Cool. So before I continue with the second part, like I said, I will highly recommend to you to check out this YouTube channel of mine. And all the videos I am uploading, they're going straight to YouTube. If for some reason I am blocked on social media platforms, just know they're on YouTube. Good. So now I'm gonna pick up from the previous session. So what I want to show you is this, that I'm using AppCenter Analytics. It's a custom method where I'm tracking each and every device that's interacting with my app, both Android and iOS, right? And just know that my app is on both Play Stores or stores. So we're talking about this one. So I know this is a model, this is a manufacturer, and this is what the name of the device. And you see, this shows me the count, how many times has this specifically interacted. So this is what, 628 times. And this has increased one user. Do you understand? And this is the model, Samsung Katleho's phone, model Samsung Marui's A14, and then Samsung Steven Lefa's S23 Plus. You see Vivo 27, OnePlus Pro. Do you understand? All this shows you, even Huawei Enjoy 9, and I'm interested in this one. So if you tap here, you're going to get more information, right? When did they interact with your app and for what period of time? And this is a very interesting analytics that you're gonna get, right? So for me, this is very important. I can just go and say Marui's A14 and see when did they interact. So you get this rich analytics, right? But for all versions, like I say, if you want to drill down to a specific version, you can go ahead. If you want to say 1 day, 7 days, you can go ahead, right? So we are done with analytics. Then comes another big part, which is a diagnosis. If there's a problem, we're gonna know about the problem, right? So then you've seen, which is what analytics, track events, which is the first part. So this app, if something is wrong, I'm still gonna teach you the power of try and catch block. Maybe I'm not gonna do that video, but if you do one-on-one session, you're gonna see a lot of try and catch block, mostly on my view models, right? So let's quickly go to this page's view model. You see these suggestions? Let's quickly go to view models, customers, suggestions, all suggestions view model. If I tap in here, I just chose this randomly because what's currently shown on the app head is, if something were to go wrong here, or if I were to right now say refresh and it did not pull data and something happened, whatever it is, I would know about it. How do I know that? So let's quickly go to the constructor. So you see the constructor is calling asynchronously show info method, this one, right? And then that refresh, it's gonna trigger this guy to say should refresh. I'm not gonna get into that. I want to show you that I have a try and I have a catch block. What on earth do I do on the catch block? If something were to happen trying to get this data from a database online, the device connected to my Wi-Fi, right, and permitted to do so, what I'm doing is I'm going to stop the indicator that appeared. So let me do that again. Refresh. This guy is gonna stop, right? So that will stop, will enable and show controls. It's a helper method. I will cause the device to vibrate, right? And then this is the most important thing. If you look at this, it comes from Microsoft AppCenter crashes, and there I say track error. With that, I don't care. I don't want to do anything. I just wanted the raw exception, and I will just show a friendly message to the user. That's it. With this information, it lands in AppCenter. So let me show you that. So this is Android, and this will be what. Oh, before we do that, let's finish this one. I'm interested in this one. Remember, we're talking about this device. There's a device that's very interesting. Okay, I know this is my iPad. So if I tap in there, then I will see the metrics and right. Let's do this. And then iPhone 14 Pro, do miss iPhone. I don't know who this one is or who does it belong to. I can't get more information on that, but let's go to diagnostics. Okay, so for Android, right, these are the crashes. When the app crashes, I know about it, and when there's error, I know about it, right? So there are both crashes and errors. So the one in red, it's when there's an actual crash, which is this guy will report, listen, there's a crash, right? And then also this is an error, yes. So for example, there's something here like 20 minutes ago. You see 20 minutes ago on the current version. I'm not sure where this comes from. I'm not gonna open this one, but I'll open, let's see, this one 4 days ago. I don't know what happened here, but if I click on it, I'm gonna get more information. This is where it gets interesting. So number one, this is stack trace. I know this. I need to track what happened. One user was affected, 2 reports, right? So we're gonna go to set up, resume connection signal. Oh, show activity. Okay, so I know where this was thrown, right? Okay, and these are the reports. You see, someone that was using a Galaxy S23 was affected. Then I know who it is. The most affected OS is Android 13. Right, so if I go to reports, this is where it gets very juicy. So this happened when on the 8th, 1st, and the 12th. So if I open the first time when this happened, I'm gonna get more information, such as the country, the language, the device. I want the network. This will help me. Sometimes it tells me the network, the events, what happened. Okay, I don't have attachments. Okay, but it's fine. And this one 4 days ago, still don't have that information. It's fine. Then we go to the next one. Issues. So this is how powerful it is. You see, some of them are going back to 2 weeks ago. I don't know why I haven't done this. Usually I do this every week where I check. It's fine. One of the things I want to show you, it's going to happen on home page, right? So if you go on the app, like on home page, so this one has to do with these ads from Google, right? If they're not showing, I've written a custom message on home. It's not a home view model. I know this one, it has to do with the view. So I just want to show you the last thing quickly. Scrolling all the way down here, this one. If ads failed to load, I'm writing this custom message. I'm saying this, you see, crashes, track error, new exception. So this is a custom one where I say on home page, this is the method, right? And then this will be the error message. So on the portal, this is how it looks like. You see, home page, add mob, ads failed to load. It's a method I will know. Internal error and invalid response received from the ad server. So this is not my problem. It's a problem to Google, and it affected one person, and I will know. And no. So listen, this is something that's very, very powerful. Beyond this, I can also do for iOS. Let's just quickly choose a random one. I don't know which one this is. Ensure success. Okay, I will check this one on my iPad. What happened? Okay, I'll check this one, but I want to go quickly and show you that I can also do what the distribute. I'm using this, but this one it needs separate videos. I can send, do CI and CD. So this AppCenter handles the CD. You see the most recent one on Google Play Store. This guy version 228, it's coming on Google Play Store, build number 49. It's been successfully pushed to the stores in production, and the stores, here it is. You see, it was successfully distributed, successfully submitted. And then on iOS, if I go for distribution and then show you this one, it went to production, right? Version 229, build number 63, and this is it, right? And then although it failed, but it ended up there. Listen, I can teach you all this for 25 Rand per session for a full hour, anytime from Monday to Friday, from 8 p.m. until 9 p.m. I can teach you all this for 25 Rand. If you know anyone who's interested in learning programming, please do highlight me, and then I'll be glad to help you. 25 Rand per session. Thank you.